Hello guys, how are you today? I hope everybody's doing great. I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready for another class? Hopefully you're ready. I'm so glad to do this video for you. So let's start today. Who's here today? Is Baby B or Rocco? Mr. Rocco's here? Yes, Mr. Rocco's here. Hello, Mr. Rocco. Good morning. How are you today? How do you feel today? How does he look? He looks happy, sad, angry, sleepy, or surprised. Take a look. Check. Check at his mouth on his face. He looks super happy. So, what is a happy face? What color? Yellow. Very good. He is happy. The teacher Jany is happy, and hopefully you are happy too. Great job. All right, so let's check the date. Today it's Monday. Very good. Today's Monday, June 2020. Let's check on the chart. Can you do it super fast with me? Yes? Here we go. Today's Monday, June 2020. Very good. And how is the weather? Is the weather cold? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Or sunny and hot? How is the weather? Think about it. How do you feel the weather? Super hot. I think the weather is being really hot. Which one is for hot? The cloud? The raindrops? No. The sun? Yes, sunny. It is being really, really hot. I don't like hot. I like cold weather. What about you? Okay, guys. Now, before we start the class, let's sing a little bit. Do you want to sing? Okay, come on, stand up. Come on, just stand up and have fun. Very good. You did great. Just moving a little bit, having fun, and relaxing your body before we start the class. Let's breathe a little bit in, out. Smell the flower. Blow the candle. Very good. Just move your shoulders a little bit, your head, your neck. Excellent. That feels good. Okay, hands up. What is up? Very good. Hands up, down, and front, stretch, and behind. Oh, that feels good. Very good. Now, we are ready to continue with the class. Today, we're going to be talking about farm animals. Do you like farm animals? Rocco, do you know the farm animals, Rocco? Look, here I have the farm and the barn. You already worked in the barn in your book. Let me show you some flashcards. Here we have the farm. Can you repeat with me, please? Farm. Excellent. Farm. What is this? The cow. Perfect. Cow. I like cows. Which one's this one? The rooster. Yes, I like roosters. Very good. Which one is this? The hen. I like the hen. The hen is brown. Very good. Sheep. What color is the sheep? White. I like the sheep. Next one. Goose. I like the goose. It's white. Turkey. I like the turkey. I like turkeys. Which one's this one, guys? You forgot it? Goat. Goat. I like the goat too. Farm. Very good. So I like all the farm animals. What about you? Which one is your favorite farm animal? Look, Rocco likes this one. Mr. Rocco, which one do you like? Oh, he likes the cow. Good job, Rocco. He likes the cow. I like the horse. Teacher Jany likes the horse. Which one do you like? I like cows, or probably, I'm going to show you some pictures and you let me know if they belong to the farm animals or not. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we have a cat. The cat belongs to the farm. Is this a farm animal? Yes, we have cats on the farm. Do we have roosters on the farm? Rooster lives on the farm? Yes, teacher. The rooster can be on the farm. Do we have monkeys on the farm? Monkeys? No, they don't live on the farm. Do we have a tiger on the farm? No. This doesn't live on the farm. Do we have pigs in the farm? Yes, pigs live in the farm. Do we have rabbits on the farm? You know the rabbits? Rabbits. Yes, they live in the farm. They are farm animals. Do we have sheep on the farm? Sheep. Yes, we do have sheep on the farm. Do we have horses on the farm? Yes. And cows? Yes, we do have a cow already. So another cow, the horse, two more. Do we have, what is this? Dogs, very good. Do we have dogs on the farm? Yes, good job. And one more. Do we have roosters and hens on the farm? Yes, we do. Excellent, you did a great job. Now, please open your book on the yellow section, page 55 and 56. Here we go. Okay, now we are on the yellow section, page 55. And here we have the farm animals. Very good. Oh, look, you need to find a sticker. Go to the end of the book, and in the sticker section, find the farm animal sticker. Are you ready? Found it. The cow. Excellent. The cow is a farm animal. So let's draw a line to the farm. Now we have the giraffe. Is the giraffe a farm animal? No, it's not. The hen. Is the hen a farm animal? Yes, it is. The bear. Is the bear a farm animal? No, the bear is not a farm animal. Next one, the pig. Are the pigs farm animals? Yes, they are. So draw a line. Sheep. Is the sheep a farm animal? Yes, the sheep is a farm animal. Next one, the turtle, the sea turtle. Is it a farm animal? No, it's not a farm animal. And the last one, the turkey. Is the turkey a farm animal? Yes, it is. He lives in the barn. Very good. So you finished that page. Excellent. Now, on the page 56, we have animals. Who I am. Go to the back of your book and the sticker section, and you will find these 3 stickers. The hen, the cow, and the pig. Now, listen carefully. Sticker number 1. I like eggs. I say cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Which one is that? Is it the cow? The cow give us eggs? No, teacher. Is it the hen? Yes, very good. Excellent. Number 2, sticker number 2. I give milk and I say moo. Who says moo and give us milk? The cow or the pig? The cow. Excellent. You're so smart. You're doing great. And the last one. I play on the mud and I say oink, oink, oink. Who is that animal? The pig. Very good. Excellent. Now you complete the yellow section. Excellent. So now it's time to say goodbye to the farm animals. Goodbye, farm animals. Let's check. Super fast. Let's review. Rocco. On the farm, we have some animals. Like, which one's this? Goose. Very good. If that's 1, you say goose. If there are 3, you say geese. All right? Now, what is that? Cow. Very good. Rooster. Which one is that? The sheep, the hen, and the turkey. Very good. I'm going to tell you some animals and you tell me if they belong to the farm or not. Are you ready? Here we go. All right. Elephant. The elephant lives on the farm? No. Very good. Next one. Giraffe. The giraffe lives on the farm? No, the giraffe is not a farm animal. Rabbits. Are the rabbits farm animals? Yes, the rabbit lives on the farm. What about the dog? The dog can be a farm animal. Yes, dogs live on the farms. The dog is a farm animal. What else? Cat. Is the cat a farm animal? Yes, it is. 1 more, 2 more. Pig. Is the pig a farm animal? Yes, excellent. The pig is a farm animal. The gorilla. Is the gorilla or the monkey, are they farm animals? No, they're not. The lion, the tiger, those are not farm animals. You did good. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna miss you. See you in the next video, and it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, Rocco. Don't forget to send the pictures of your work. All right? Have fun and take care. Goodbye.